Up three. Let's have a look at the highlights. Was the pick of the attack, no question about that.
Paul Sterling was in great
variety,
touch.
good bowling, extremely well at the death. Slightly 42 for him. That gives him 7 wickets in this series so far already. Let's have a look at the highlights.
Paul Sterling was in good touch. Paul Sterling was in great touch. Kevin O'Brien went early. Was hand over the offside catch. Difficult time getting hit in line and rhythm very early. Commitment as always is excellent. Sweep Mujib and Co. Decides to go for a stroke. Good touch right from the Tector as well. He was subdued. He was really hand over the offside. On a wicket that was difficult to time before Paul Sterling went as a merry way. Very early. Curtis Camperins gave the Ireland a nice bit of for a stroke, bit of momentum. Tector as well. He was subdued. Fabulous. It was really stranglehold.
106 those two added for the 4th wicket. There's Sterling's 100, his 11th in one-day internationals. He's on a hot streak at the moment.
A nice bit of momentum, and he gave Paul Sterling
Camper playing some really effective shots. Sterling here with the wins, those two added, catching that beautifully 4th wicket. And then Sterling's 100, his 11th in one-day internationals. He's on a hot streak.
Pretty much everyone loves flowers, so this would be a great book.
Tucker came in, he was busy. Sterling hitting with the win there, catching that beautifully. Best score in the previous match, and that was the end of Sterling. 128 from 32 balls, tossed straight to extra cover. 100 against Afghanistan in one-day internationals. Tucker came in, he was busy. Tucker gets a player who square leg off Mujib, his career best score in the previous match, and that was the end of Sterling. 128 from 132 balls. He then struck with his next delivery 100 against Afghanistan in one-day internationals. First ball. Tucker departed, McCarthy, square leg off Mujib, big. It went a long way up that one by
That was the expectation, and he delivered with some thumping blows.
Yeah, he looks a really good player. He looks a natural 6-hitter actually in this day and age. That's a wonderful skill to have. This is the first wicket to go. The Mahdi plumb in front, absolutely dead. And this was Stitch as well. Curtis Camphor full straight. After that though, that was all Ireland had to shout about. Rahmat Shah got a couple of lovely gifts early, half volleys. He put them away through the covers with consummate ease. Nice to see Shahidi back in the side. I think he's a good cricketer. Compliments this side very much. Attack lacks a bit of penetration. No real pace.
Shots through the onside, agricultural shots also.
Yeah, he played nicely though, Shahidi. And this was the moment, this was the century moment. Rahmat Shah, unflustered, nothing big about the celebration, just goes about his business. McCarthy, the unfortunate bowler. 2 dollies really. Been a signature for Ireland in the field. Missed plenty of chances in the first game, and then the captain came in and flexed his muscles. Did a couple of big ones. All too easy for Afghanistan, and this was the moment. 10 more points in the bag, 20 points in total. Afghanistan all smiles.
So that's the confirmation of the results here in Abu Dhabi. Ireland managing 259 for 9 in their 50 overs. In response, Afghanistan winning comprehensively, clinically by 7 wickets. Rahmat Shah with the century. We'll be back with the presentation shortly.